Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you with some important updates about Koma Inu coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends, due to recent market crash, Koma Inu is also barely jump here. But this meme coin is already listed on Binance Future, so it's possible that we can see Koma Inu listing on Binance Spot and also on Coinbase because this is BNB ecosystem meme coin and Shiba Inu's Sun meme coin. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, first of all, you can see I'm also holding 671 Koma Inu coins, current worth about $18. I buy this coin for $20, but due to recent crash, its price is also dump here. You can see chart. Okay, 1 hour chart is also bearish. 4 hour chart is bearish, but it's 1 day chart is very bearish, friends. You can see. Okay, zoom it out. I can see right now we are on this almost all-time low where from this meme coin was started. You can see friends. Okay, this meme coin was listed here and after that make a massive bump and hit all-time high price of 0.2 dollars. Okay, $0.2. After that, okay, it's continuously dumped here and jump up to $0.002, but after some recovery we are again going down at the same levels of $0.02. Its trading volume is good. So friends, like see last 24-hour trading volume is $9.6 million. Okay, $9.6 million trading volume. So trading volume is good. $16.3 million market cap. This is also good because this meme coin is already dump here, so its market cap is still good. BNB ecosystem meme coin and 1 billion coin supply, almost 60% circulation. You can see friends. Okay, Binance Alpha Spolite made in USA. This is good. Another dog theme meme coin just like Shiba Inu. We are still 700% up there. All-time low, all-time high was as I will show you on 10th December $0.19, where from we are 86% down here. Okay, so almost we are on a all-time low here. You can see friends, Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC is already list. If you not have MEXC exchange account yet, I provide you MEXC exchange link in description where I'm buying all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. These are from some other exchanges where this coin is listed. Binance Future has already listed this coin, so it's definitely possible that we can see Koma Inu coin listing in Binance Spot also. Website is also good, friends. You can check out all further details here on their website, making BNB great again. So this is good because it's a meme coin, and you can see Koma Inu, the son of Shiba Inu and predator of and protector of BNB. Okay, so this is official son of Shiba Inu coin and protector of BNB. So that's why this coin has already massive hype in crypto market. And these are some partners. You can see Flokify's partner, DWF Left Portfolio, Binance Alpha, Bybit, Kraken Pro, Binance Future. So this is really good. The protector of BNB chain. You can check out all further details here. Okay, Scomind was also WWE's champion of BNB and all other details here. And friends, tokenomics is really good. You can see 1 billion total supply. Out of them, pre-launch allocation was 28%. But most amazing thing is this. You can see 39.3% supply is burned. Okay, this is really good. This total supply was just 1 billion coin. Out of them is 39% supply is burned. So this is really good. More than 400 million coins are already burned. Team has 5% of supply. Liquidity has 10%. So overall it's looking good, and you can copy its official contract address here if you wanna buy this meme coin through Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap. These are some central exchanges. You can see friends. Okay, KuCoin has listed and MEXC, lots of central exchange listing already done for this coin. And you can see Sex Future, okay, means central exchanges where this coin is listed on their futures thread. Binance is here. This is good because this is BNB ecosystem, and Kraken has also list. So you can also think that when this coin will be listed on Binance and Kraken Spot, at that time definitely Koma Inu can perform really amazing. And people think about Koma, you can check out all further details here. And friends, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for further crypto updates. Just like I share you Pipey coin, after that just pump by almost 20%, and many other crypto updates that I'm not sharing on my YouTube channel. So you can get all the updates on Telegram channel. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. FS number of holders amazing. I can see 44,200 holders for Koma Inu. So this is amazing. 44,000 holders on BNB chain. This is really amazing. As I will show you, the 39.4%, almost 40% of Koma Inu coins are already burned, current worth about $10.6 million. Okay, $10.6 million worth Koma Inu coins are already burned. So this is good. Pink Cell, there was initial launch as 15% of supply. Gate.io, Bitget, and other Gate.io exchange holding almost 10% and Bitget 6% of supply. Comaino developer has 1.4% of supply. These are some other different wallet Comaino exchanges and Comaino marketing. So these are the top 50 wallets. They are holding this coin, and maybe in top 100 we can see Binance wallets also that hold this coin. You can see, friends, I show you that some Binance wallets are also holding. You can see Arbit, that is a centralized exchange holding this coin. And so these are the top 100 wallets. Maybe we can see. Okay, friends, this is 92 number wallet. Okay, wallet number 92 holding Comainu coin is Binance Exchange wallet. Okay, friends, you can see Binance Hot wallet 19 holding 0.05% of its tokens that worth about just $13,000 only. But definitely, when Comainu will be listed in Binance Sport and in Kraken Sport, then definitely we can see massive holding for both central exchanges. Now, my price prediction for Comainu coin is that as this coin is in BNB chain, as we have Shiba Inu in Ethereum chain, so this dog theme meme coin can be listed on all other tier 1 central exchanges and can be the next $1 billion market coin. Current market cap, you can see, friends, just $16.3 million, but Coma Inu has definitely potential to be the next 6 to maybe $16 billion market meme coin. It's really possible that Coma Inu can be the next 100 to maybe 1000x potential coin, because in crypto market everything is possible, because it's a meme coin. And it's really possible that we can see its market from just 16 to maybe $6 billion here.